What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing and kind of just a general discussion once I fix the camera here a little bit. And something I'm pretty excited about, I am going back to having a desktop PC. I'm going to downgrade my 16-inch MacBook Pro to probably an Air or a 14-inch used MacBook Pro model, just because I like to spend more time down here and want to do more video and photo editing and maybe a little bit of other side stuff. So this is the Asus TUF Gaming 5070. These have been a little hard to find, but I found one at Best Buy, and if you remember, you get 15% off, so I got it pretty well under what they're going for. They are going higher than what they are MSRP at, but I just wanted to get an unboxing of this. I have not messed with the graphics card in a long time, so we will see what it's like. It does feel heavy. So the last graphics card I had was a 980. So this is probably a significant upgrade. I don't do a ton of gaming, but I do suspect in the future that our kids will. We have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old. Yes, this is gonna be like a 10-year PC. Usually when I get something, I usually keep it forever. So any gaming we would do with it, it's mainly gonna be for video and photo editing, just general family purpose, but any gaming we would do with it would be on a little bit of the kind of the lower end. I don't set all the settings to ultra. So nice little plain box. That's one thing I like about the Asus TUF series, is most of their stuff is fairly plain black. I don't really want a lot of like RGB lights or anything like that, or anything flashy. So, and I've had really good luck with their stuff before. Good wall packaging. So looks like you're going to get 2 8-pin connectors to this, some stickers. So nothing too exciting. I do know that they went to different connectors now, so they have a little bit of a different design than what I am previously used to. Oh, and you get, what is this, a flashlight? I have no idea what this is. Does anybody else? Looks like a battery, but I guarantee it's probably not. Is it? I thought it was a flashlight. I don't know. Maybe it's a support bracket or something for the GPU. I've seen that a lot of these come with support brackets, probably because of how just large they are. This thing is massive compared to what I am previously used to, so basically you'll probably get some quick start guide. I don't really know, and there's probably an installation guide in here also. Yep. So your basic stuff you don't really need, but it's nice to have if you've never done any type of GPU installation or anything. Now, this thing probably does need a support bracket. I don't think I've ever seen a graphics card this big before. So my 980 only had 2 fans, and it was pretty, I wouldn't say it was small, but it was a little bit on the smaller side. It still was pretty heavy, but this thing is like way bigger than I was imagining. Like, it's almost the size of a Mac Mini or a Mac Studio, which is originally what I was looking at, but I already have a power supply, and I already have Windows, I already have SSD, I already have a hard drive, and I already have fans, I already have a lot of stuff. So the first thing I noticed is that I do like that it's all black, gray, kind of. I don't like the TUF Gaming on there, but it is considered a gaming graphics card. So there's your little connector there. I assume this connects into there. Yep. That would be my guess, is that it connects into there, and these 2 8-pins you hook to your power supply. So that's really it. It's big. It's definitely way larger. Oh, 3 display ports, 2 HDMI, which is nice. Previously, I feel like mine only had display ports on it and no HDMI, so it is nice that it has that. Has the room for it. So, but again, this thing is very large. So maybe this is a support bracket for it. I'll have to look through the manual. I don't see how it would. If it sits in there like this, maybe it sits down here like that, holds it up. No, that can't be. So that's it. Again, I will get some other parts up as I get them. I live close to Micro Center, so I'm lucky that you could take advantage of their bundle deals. It's about the best place to buy stuff at if you do their bundles. So that's it. Happy with it so far. Haven't used it yet, but it is big, lots of plastic. So if you have any comments, questions, leave them below, and have a good rest of the day.